take a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, put it in here. Where we are. See where we are.
Stir it up?
No, we're gonna see what thickness we're at. How gooey
Then
we are.
why-
Ow! Ow! I burnt my finger.
Don't burn your finger. Dude, don't burn your finger.
You don't fall, and I won't burn my finger. How about that?
Nuh-uh.
Uh-uh.
It will bleed. We can't let your hand bleed.
This is about the consistency you want to make a ball. See that? Yeah. Go ahead. We're gonna go to the butter again, like you put lotion on again. There you go. Rub it in your hands. Good. Rub it some more. I'll snatch this little piece up. How about that? Yeah, just put it down somewhere. Still a little warm. Take off the edge. Like right here. Ooh, that's a little warm. Hold on, let's see. It's hot. So you gotta play with it because it's hot. Oh man, this is too hot. So that's what we're gonna have to do is roll it up like that, like a ball. But it's a little hot, baby.
It's slipping.
It did. Here, let's take this ball. See how you feel? It's a little warm. Here, roll this one
Make
up.
it like a choo-choo train.
It's a little warm. Don't drop it. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Pick up one, drop it in, put chocolate over it, somehow scoop it out without making too much goodness. It's really gonna be hard. I don't wanna touch it. Like that there. So, we're gonna do this. Okay, reach it. gonna lick everything in the world, huh? You're not licking this bowl. Too much chocolate. Hold on, wait. Well, I'm thinking of putting. Wait a minute, that's a lot of chocolate. And I don't want you to put it back in the spoon because I'm probably gonna need it. Here, I'm gonna check something out on this right here. This is what they look like, and then we will put them in the freezer because we need to flash them. I don't think the white's gonna do right, so
I'm gonna hold it.
Look, go wash it. Right. Now hold it. Get in your chair. Okie dokie, so when I like this, yep, cut it really little. Is that pretty? We'll leave those plain chocolatey. And now, once again, stick them in the freezer.